let's say talk about solar panel forecasting. It's a project of data analytics. I will introduce my team members. Kaushik Kumar is a leader. Madan Kumar, Yuvaraj, Modagamanigana is a team members. I will talk about introduction. First of all, I will talk about introduction. Solar energy has many benefits, but have their initial investment for installing the solar panel is quite high, and not everyone will be able to afford them. And the photovoltaic system just as amount of solar radiation influence the amount of electricity produced each day. This influenced by factors such as the location and time, weather matter. Um, and meteorological data including the temperature, humidity. It also considered artificial intelligence with measure the temperatures, support weather machine regression. SVMR is a small definition, and random forest is a RF. Weather and physical element influence the electricity power out of the solar photovoltaic panel. Solar irradiance, cloud cover, humidity, temperature, and etc. can be model output. Next one is related work. The solar energy forecast can be categorized in a variety of ways. Persistence smart persistence model, which uses the historical data forecast future power generated for overall short period of time. And the overcome of problem employ a machine learning technique shift the truth solar radiation models for developing the prediction model and currently anticipate the short-term solar panel power. The forecast the power output using cluster-wise regression, renewable energy source progressive being integrated into electricity network along the nature order of address these issues. And next topic is proposed work. The proposed work from 2019 to 2020 is several weather factor we collected to investigate the relationship between solar irradiance and meteorological data order accurately estimate the power generated, and the power generated radiance space will be estimate using machine learning method, and the regression line regression elastic net regression and etc. can be analyzed. Next one is I will talk about result. A matrix of pair correlation coefficient is generated for the set of future under investigation in the order of collinear factor. The correlation matrix, direction of two solar non, temperature, wind direction, wind speed, sky cover, visibility, humidity, average wind speed, average pressure, etc. If 1.0, 0.8, 0.6 is considered the value, is the correlation matrix. Next one is summer season analysis. 0 to 0.006 is lower than 0.2, and finally low the value in 0 is considered the 4000. Another value is rain season analysis, and another winter at the moderator. Next one is power generator. It's a different temperature analysis result of the how much power is generated in summertime, moderate, winter, rain time. Next one is score of all tree model is used in solar power analysis. It's the flow diagram. Random forest regression, linear regression model support better regression. Next one is temperature different and their power generated percentage accordingly. Finally, conclusion. When they present a machine learning based approach the analysis in this power, mostly important our methodology went beyond the prediction, delivering key result and understanding solar power analysis. The proposed model SVR, LR and RF compare the temperature with given 5655 F 30% power generation increase compared other temperature. The random forest regression model is performing the better 94.01 accuracy, and each the model preferred the deployment. Welcome to all. Today we discuss about the solar panel forecasting using data analytic process. The data collection is prepared, the data set is collected the external app Kajal and it was prepared the data visualization chart. This data can be used to data model creation and dashboard creation. To download the data set in the Kajal app, solar panel solar panel forecasting using data analytic, the download the dataset CSV file to open the IBM Cognos account. To upload the dataset in the dataset to upload the IBM account. To open the IBM data source to explore to the process. Next step of select to the dataset. To open the dataset, to data can be explored. Explore the data relationship AC power and explore the data relationship DC power and explore data relationship daily yield, explore data relationship and total yield. The data visualization chart can be displayed. The DC power compared to daily yield by source key. Next visualization chart of total yield of DC power and daily yield. To the visualization chart, the total yield of the date and time for DC power and AC power to predict the solar energy. The visualization chart, ambient temperature is show the visualization chart. Next visualization chart of daily yield by total yield. Creating a story is third step. The story is AC power by DC power to the daily yield. The next step of story, daily yield the AC power with DC power generating the solar power. Total yield of the AC power to the DC power, daily yield in the solar power generation to the process. The total yield by AC power in the generation of daily yield to the visualization chart to show the story. The last step of the story is to view the AC power by DC power in total yield date and timely observed to the process. Thank you everyone.